Good afternoon, my dears, my sweet children. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home and completing your work daily and practicing also. And you are practicing also for your exams. Good. Now look here, my dears. We are starting revisions so you have to practice all the works which are done. Look here. First question. Look at the board. First question was match the letter with the correct picture. What we have to do? We have done this many times, but again we are revising all the works which we have done. So match the letter with the correct picture. What we have to do? We have to identify the letter and we have to match with correct picture. What? We have to match with correct picture. Look here. Which letter is this? Do you know which letter is this? Yes, I know that you know which letter is this. This letter is H. Very good. H. And H for rose? No. H for kite? No. H for house? Yes. So we will draw a line from H to house. H. We will match H with picture of house. H for house. Now look at the next letter. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. A for rose? No. A for kite? No. A for house? No. A for ant? Yes. So we will draw a line from A to ant. Picture of ant. A for ant. A for ant. Now look at the next picture. Which picture is this? Sorry, which letter is this? This is letter R. Which letter is this? R. So R for rose. Yes. R for rose. Now we will match R with picture of rose. R for rose. Now look at the next letter. Which letter is this? O. Which letter is this? O. O for rose? No. O for kite? No. O for house? No. O for ant? No. O for orange? Yes. O for orange. So let us match O with orange. O for orange. Look at the last letter. Which letter is this? K. Which letter is this? K. So K for rose? No. K for kite? Yes. So we will match K with kite. Picture of kite. Did you enjoy this? Again we will revise. H for house, A for ant, R for rose, O for orange, K for kite. I hope that you have understand and you will do nicely in your notebook. Now look at the next question. Now look at the next question. Write the first letter of the picture. Some pictures are given here. You have to identify which picture is that, and after that you have to write first letter of the picture. What you have to do? You have to write first letter letter of the picture. Now look here. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? It's a picture of flower. Picture of flower. So, which first letter will come? F. F for flower. F for flower. Good. Good. You are doing well done, my dears. Now, look at the next picture. We have to identify the picture and then we have to write the first letter of the picture. So, now you identify which picture is this? Tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of drum. This is a picture of drum. So, D for drum. How we will write D? Standing line and curve. Right? Now, look at the next picture. Look at the next picture. I hope you have remembered this picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of Xmas tree. Picture of Xmas tree. So, what you will write here? What you will write here? X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Good. Very good. Now I am drawing next picture. Tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of nest. This is a picture of nest. So, which first letter you will write? Which first letter you will write? N. N for nest. N for nest. Good. Very good. Now, look here. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is a picture of bus. Which picture is this? Picture of bus. So, tell me, B for bus. B for bus. How you will write B? Standing line, half curve and half curve. So, which letter is this? B. Now again we will revise this. Which picture is this? Flower. So, F for flower. Drum. D for drum. Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Nest. N for nest. Bus. B for bus. Very good. You are doing so good, my dear. If anybody wants, parents, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Done? Right. Now, we will move to next question. We will move to next question. The next question is, have to circle the odd letter. Look here. Which letter is this? P, 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 D. So which letter is different? Which one is odd? D. Because P, P are same but D is different. So we will circle the letter D. Which letter? D. Now look at the next. Y, W, Y, Y. So which one is odd? Y, Y, Y. But this is W. So W is odd one. So we will circle it. What we will do? We will circle the odd letter. Next, look here. K, K, L, K. So which is different? All are K, but here L. So circle the letter L. Which letter? L. Look here. H, 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 S. So which is different? All are H, but only one is odd. So we will circle the letter S. Good, very good. You are doing good. Now look here. Z, L, L, L. So all are L, only odd letter is Z. So what we will do? We will circle the letter Z. So this is your work you have to do today in your notebook. And keep on practicing so that you can do it properly. Now we are going to revise rhyme and story. So be ready. Let us revise the rhyme. Ready? Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, hickory dickory dock. Again, once again, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, hickory dickory dock. Clap all of you. Did you like the rhyme? You have enjoyed the rhyme? Good. Very good. So now we will revise the story. 2 stories are there. You have to learn only one story. One story is The Thirsty Crow and another story is The Lion and the Mouse. So let us start to revise this story. First we will start with Thirsty Crow. A thirsty crow was in search of water. He found a pot containing very less water in it. A thirsty crow was in search of water. He found a pot containing very less water in it. The crow collected the pebbles and put in the pot. The crow collected the pebbles and put them in the pot. The water rose up. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away. The next story is, once upon a time, there was a lion. It was sleeping under the tree. A mouse came and climbed upon him. angry, but set him free. Once the lion got trapped in the net and roared for help. The mouse came and cut the net. The lion got free. The lion got free. Once again, we will revise the rhyme. The lion and the mouse. You have to learn anyone. Anyone. Thirsty crow or the lion and the mouse. You have to learn story. Anyone. Once upon a time, there was a lion. It was sleeping under the tree. A mouse came, climbed upon him. The lion got angry, but set him free. Once the lion got trapped in the net and roared for help. The mouse came and cut the net. The lion got free. The lion got free. Now we will revise thirsty crow. A crow was in search of water. A crow was in search of water. He saw a pot containing less water in it. He saw a pot containing less water in it. The crow collected the pebbles and put them in the pot. The crow collected the pebbles and put them in the pot. The water rose up. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away. He drank it and flew away. So you have to learn this story and rhymes.